Hey everyone, I'm Eric North, and I'm the Happiness Warrior. We're living in a world where unhappiness is increasingly normalized. Just take a look around and we're fighting with each other, we're angry, we're hurt, and we're afraid. This is not normal. To make things even more challenging, we're learning how to survive in a pandemic, and everything we know has been turned upside down. As the Happiness Warrior, I'm here to help explore happiness, increase happiness, and help us spread happiness wherever we go. Happiness is a choice, and happiness will help us lead the magical life that we deserve. What does happiness mean to you? I believe that happiness is our natural state of being, and happiness is our natural state of mind. A few years ago, I began to question whether there was more to life than constantly working and building businesses. I began a journey. I began a conscious journey to explore what comes next in life. Happiness is everything, and happiness will take us to the next level. Some of the most important things I've learned are that everyone has value and that making people feel good makes you happy. Most of us want to be happy, but haven't given ourselves permission to be happy. Happiness creates change, it builds self-esteem, and increases gratitude, which allows our lives to expand. 5 core happiness warrior values. Number 1, take care of your body as if your life depends on it. The happiness warrior core value number 2, consciously provide value in all actions. Happiness warrior core value number 3, practice self-awareness. Happiness warrior core value number 4, have a ready for anything mindset. Happiness warrior value number 5, seek clarity in all actions and remove self-created obstacles. Happiness is a choice, and it's the key to leading the magical life that we all deserve.